we're back, and this is the video I've been waiting for. I don't know about you guys, but I'm changing up the color today, and I'm getting very creative today. Just keep watching, see how creative I get with this look. So I've been said I was going to change my hair color. I took so long because I couldn't decide. It is the hardest choice ever. First, I bought this orangish reddish, but then I changed my mind and I wanted it bright and rainbow. So I stick with the bright and rainbow. So you guys are going to love it. I'm going to love it, I hope. So let me show you guys the colors I will be putting in my locks. It's going to be so pretty. Okay, first I want to explain a little bit of what I will be doing, the type of ombre I'm going for. So I'm going to go from dark to light to light. So I'm adding 4 colors in my hair in total. I already have a section. The part I have down, I'm only going to add 3 colors, which is a dark blue and a greenish blue. So the top, I decided I will split that in half. Half of it I'll add purple to the tips. Half of them will be just purple. Half of them will be just green. All the products I'm going to be using today. So first I bought this, and I just got it because I went to the hair store and I thought, ooh, this would be so cute at the ends of it. It's like a mint, sweet mint. Pretty color. I have this blue intense, that wasn't the name, my bad. Sapphire Blue, Radiant Orchid. It's like a pretty purple. You can't see it because of the way the box color is, but. And then I have the emerald color. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but I love this color. It's like my favorite color. And it's going to be in the ends of my hair, like this much of it, while the top I'm going to put the intense, what was the color? I keep getting it wrong. Sapphire at the top and emerald at the bottom. And some of the tips I will put the sweet mint, and the top is going to be purple, blue, and emerald. And like the color is from Ion Color Brilliance Permanent Brights cream hair color. So yes, I am going for a permanent look today. I don't know how long the color will last, but I'm just going to have it as long as it fades away. And then when it fades away, I could switch it up to like a red or burgundy or something. So that's the goal. So the color, when I read the instruction, it said that I needed to mix it with 20 volume developer. So I got this, I said 20, I meant 10. So I got this big old developer, the Ion Color Solution Shampoo after to close the cuticles. Ooh, 4 bowls in front of me, and we're about to get the work in. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed coloring my hair. Love how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys. Bye.